If a payment app like Cash App or PayPal suddenly freezes your funds under a mysterious security review, do not wait around for their automated email support. Here is how to force a manual override. Step 1. The freeze is usually triggered by a dynamic IP mismatch. Go into your app settings, check your logged-in devices, and log out of every single old phone, tablet, or public Wi-Fi network immediately. Step 2. Do not just open a standard support ticket. Use their official chat function and type this exact phrase. My account restriction is causing immediate, verified financial hardship. Please escalate this directly to an account compliance manager. This phrase bypasses basic AI bots. Step 3. Have a high-definition photo of your ID and a utility bill matching your account name, completely ready to upload on the spot. AI systems automatically drop priority tickets that lack instant verification assets. Your search ends here.